Ladies and gentlemen, I am here to tell you about one of the most fascinating and underrated developments of our time: Disney Robot. Yes, you heard that right. Remember Disney, the company behind all those incredible Marvel movies, Mickey Mouse, and magical theme parks? Well, they're accomplishing some fantastic things with robots too. These aren't just ordinary clunky machines though. What makes them unique is that they have personalities and feelings, are incredibly realistic, and even possess a sense of character. They are a far cry from the rigid animatronics of Disneyland's past. Imagine a robot that can be as expressive as a real person, with feelings and a sense of adventure. That's what Disney is currently focusing on right now. One of their latest creations is a remarkable robot brimming with personality, and while its exact purpose is unknown, it could pave the way for a new generation of Disney robots, blurring the lines between animation and reality. This new robot isn't meant for any specific film or theme park. It serves as a blueprint for something truly incredible. It could become the next R2-D2. But even better, Disney uses artificial intelligence and a technique called reinforcement learning to give the robot its own personality. This implies that the robot can learn from its experiences or mistakes, even emotions like curiosity or excitement, and adapt to new situations, making it far more dynamic and engaging than traditional robots. Moreover, this robot can move gracefully and fluidly, respond to its surroundings, communicate feelings, and even grow into a distinct individual. The team at Disney Research in Zurich created this robot in less than a year. They used 3D printing and clever design to create a robot with personality, allowing for rapid prototyping and customization. Interestingly, this robot isn't just stiff and robotic. It has wiggly ears, a moving head, and entertaining and practical language. Its highly flexible head and two nimble tendrils fuel its expressive motions. With the help of these characteristics and a well-thought-out movement language, the robot may communicate various emotions without compromising functioning. This is a game-changer in the world of robotics. The engineers and animators collaborated to ensure the robot could move like a genuine character without toppling over. Disney designed this robot platform to be like a chameleon. One of the most exciting aspects of this technology is its versatility. Since the underlying robotics platform is independent hardware, applying the same concepts to robots of diverse sizes and forms is possible. This means they can build new robots and opens a world of possibilities for Disney's future robotic creations. Although this specific robot isn't going to be used at a theme park right now to greet guests, the technology that it powers has the potential to change the Disney experience completely. This is about pushing the boundaries and presenting the possibility of a world in which robots are dynamic, sentient beings with personalities and feelings instead of being considered merely as machinery. Imagine engaging with chatty robots communicating with visitors in real time, picking up their preferences and adjusting their responses accordingly. Disney is aggressively bringing this science fiction-inspired future to life. Before you picture this robot exploring Disneyland, remember it's still an experiment. However, the technology it employs may be Disney's animatronics of the future. Disney's robots differ from the ones we often see. Animatronics are the classic Disney robots you see in rides and shows. They're great at looking and moving like real creatures, but lack artificial intelligence and learning capacity. All they do is follow pre-programmed commands. This difference is essential when thinking about the future of Disney's theme parks. While animatronics will likely remain a staple, AI robots are the new robots with AI minds, such as the one we are discussing. They are capable of thought, learning, and situational adaptation. Compared to standard animatronics, this dramatically increases their level of interaction and interest. AI-powered robots could bring in a new era of immersive entertainment. This new Disney robot shows that the future of theme park robots is bright. Disney has made significant robotics developments outside its theme parks. In fields including healthcare, education, and even disaster assistance, they are pushing the boundaries of what is feasible. Their dedication to AI's ethical and safe development provides an excellent example for the robotics industry. They peek into a world where machines serve as friends rather than tools. Disney's robotics research is not happening in a vacuum. It is part of a broader trend in the technology sector, with companies like Boston Dynamics pushing the boundaries of what is possible. It's interesting to compare Disney's robots to Boston Dynamics. They are renowned for producing highly athletic robots with remarkable agility. A prime example was one they called Atlas. The robot, Atlas, can navigate difficult terrain, perform parkour stunts, and even help in constructions. It's tempting to compare Disney and Boston Dynamics in a head-to-head battle for robotic supremacy. However, their goals are quite different. At the same time, Atlas is a more physically advanced and technologically sophisticated problem solver designed to complete challenging human tasks. Disney's robots emphasize personality and emotions. They are storytellers, creating a network of emotions and wonder through their gestures. Who knows, maybe one day, these two businesses may pool their talents to produce even more amazing robots. One thing is for sure, the robot race is on. Businesses are entering the fray in an attempt to take the lead in this fascinating new industry. It's so cool to see that companies like Tesla are pitching in. Of course, this promising future comes with its own set of challenges. Safety is one primary concern. AI-powered robots that can function independently need robust safety measures to prevent accidents or misuse. If an AI robot makes a mistake, it might have severe and extensive consequences. Therefore, before releasing their robots into the wild, these companies focus on ensuring they are safe and reliable. The creation of intelligent robots raises further ethical questions. How can we ensure they're not taken advantage of and treated humanely? As robot technology advances, these are the complex questions that society needs to address. Despite their difficulties and challenges, Disney's new robots represent a considerable advancement in robotics. They have the power to transform the entertainment industry completely. So, the next time you visit Disneyland, watch for something more than just the standard animatronics. You may just get a peek into the future when artificial intelligence and creativity will allow robots to take over the world. These robots may endlessly improve our lives. Disney will certainly be at the forefront of this fascinating change as AI technology develops. This is just the beginning of the story. Disney and other businesses are exploring the possibilities, and the future of robotics is quite exciting as these robots are more than just toys or theme park attractions. So keep this in mind the next time you think of Disney. They do more than only produce Mickey Mouse ears and motion pictures, one expressive robot dance at a time. They are constructing the future of artificial intelligence and robotics that have the power to reshape our world in countless ways drastically. And who knows, maybe in the future, all of us will be dancing with our AI friends, lost in a world where technology uses its heart as much as its circuity to create stories. Let us know how you feel about these latest robots from Disney.